Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine. Thank you for giving me such a great opportunity to introduce our first month journey. English therapy, when I join, my rules, regulation properly maintained, okay, and my new journey start. When I English therapy join, my rules automatically create. Look like my everyday 6 a.m. Class start. Then I wake up every day for 4:30 a.m. and I wore my dress and evolution complete, brush my teeth and evolution complete, and then I prepare my classroom going. My teacher is very good, and the teaching system is very good, and lots of time practice. And English therapy student and another student and English therapy authority listening just you talking Bangla anytime 20 taka quote. This is a good point. That's why I anytime I didn't speak Bangla. Only my parents, father, mother call, and then I talking Bangla. That's why I always time try English talking. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.